All right. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Andre, and together with me is Crystal, and we are Team Puri. All right. We'll now go through our project in the following sequence. We'll present what we thought about the problem statement, followed by a proposal, and then we'll go through our intended outcomes. Right. So, Team Puri has chosen problem statement 8, right, as our problem, and this is what we came up with, right? So we felt that the problem statement stated that there's a lack of a central database. There is a need to unify the different types of certificates coming into and mapping it into one common grading such that everybody can understand which certificate represents what. Third, there is an oversaturation of courses, some of which may not be relevant in today's context, which in turn will lead to point 4 time and resource wastage. Yep. So our proposal is a platform called CourseBud with a centralized database to consolidate all the qualifications for employees and to actually push out relevant courses to them as well. And how we intend to bring in these courses is not to actually create these courses on our own. We intend to work with other platforms who have already done so. So platforms such as AWS Educate, O'Reilly, Firebase, Azure. So these are platforms with certificates and courses which are very relevant to today's industry, especially in the tech firms. If we are looking at more soft skills courses, we can actually take a look at what Harvard has to offer and what the other universities have to offer, right? So before we begin, let me go through a few user stories that CourseBud actually has. So let's imagine ourselves as a PSA employee. So let's say I'm a new employee and I wish to use CourseBud. So I will log in into the application, right? My credentials will be provided to me by the HR personnel. I'll upload any relevant certificate that I have, right? And I'll write a summary of all the learning points that I have, right? So CourseBud will actually take a look at all my certificates and generate what I've learned so far and give a rough sensing of where I stand in the company, right? Then I'll click upload, right? The second user story is a PSA employee who has already been in PSA for quite a while, but he wishes to do more self-directed learning. So following the same few steps of logging in, he can actually search for courses, filter out the courses that are being recommended by a machine learning model. And from there, you can see which one is the most relevant and subsequently join it, right? Yeah, one feature of CourseBud that might benefit this user is there is a community forum which can actually show what my fellow peers are actually doing. And as such, I can actually try to keep up with them and in that sense, try to keep relevant as well. Yeah. Okay, so this is the proposed methodology in which Team Putty foresee the application developing in. So we see it developing in two major releases. One is the live application to consolidate all the certs that all the current existing certs that employees have, right? This way we can generate a very good sensing of where all the employees stand. The second release is actually the web scraping and machine learning model, right? So this is the part where we will actually use web scraping and machine learning model to push out relevant courses. The machine learning model is actually a relevancy model, which currently I'm intending to run it through a BERT model, right? To figure out which one is more relevant to push to the users, right? And the machine learning model will actually also see what kind of certs you have uploaded so far, and in turn, recommend you the more relevant one. So let's say if you already have beginner search, right? The machine learning model would actually recommend more intermediate and more mastery courses to you instead of just a beginner one. Yeah. So this is actually a code snippet. So unfortunately, due to time constraint, I wasn't able to create a full-fledged machine learning model as of yet. However, as machine learning model requires a large amount of data, and that data isn't readily at hand given over the weekend. So what I've done is actually just showed you the intended libraries and the models that I intend to use. And at the side, you can see how a rough gauge on how everything will play out. Yeah. So yep. So these are I've broken all this down into scrums for the first release, right? And this is a scrum for the second release. Yep. So this is the proposed tech stack. So for UI, we'll use React.js, right? As yeah, so React.js for the backend, and we'll use Spring Boot. The web server we'll use Tomcat, and for database we'll use Amazon's RDS servers. Yeah. So all this are actually the industry standard, and I believe there isn't any major issues with all this. Yeah. So yeah, so the advantages of CourseBud is definitely better communication, and with CourseBud, right, with the community function, we can actually align ambition and expectations. So yeah, so if we want, like, if the PSA employee wants a certain job, or like let's say a PSA employee wants to try and understand what a data scientist, the skill sets of a data scientist, he can actually take a look at what his fellow data scientist peers actually have. He can see their competency. So yeah, there's actually quite a very good alignment of ambitions and expectations right here. Yeah. So before I end off, right, I would like to go through a demo with you. Crystal from Team Pooty will go through the demo, right? Okay, let me just switch my screen. All right, Crystal, take it away.
Hi, thank you, Andre. Okay, I'm Crystal, and I'll now be running through with you the demonstration of our prototype, CourseBud. So CourseBud is a convenient and easily accessible learning platform for all PSA employees. As Andre has mentioned, it contains various courses from many educators like Firebase, Amazon Web Services, Orally, and Azure, etc. So now, how would the platform actually work? Well, now let's step into the shoes of a PSA employee, Gojo. He's a financial analyst looking to learn how to code through self-directed learning. So this is the CourseBud homepage, which would greet all users. So what a user would do is first press login,
Log in.
and then key in his details, and then he can log in. Yeah, so this is the home page, which would, after getting all his credentials and certificates, there will be recommendations generated out, as well as community feed. Andre, you can scroll down. Yeah, as well as trending topics. So at the sidebar, there will also be a in progress courses that are going on in progress and completed courses. So now if you go on top, there's this courses section where you can click on. And as you can see, these are the results for coding. So yeah, there on the sidebar, there will also be a filter by layout where the user can click to get more specific results. So following that, he will let's say he clicks on the first one. Andre, you can click on the first course.
Yeah, I did.
Right.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is
So this is what he will be led. Yeah. And then once he goes through the course,
this. Can you see? Is it reflected?
yeah, he'll be led. Yeah. There will be a completion rate of about like 75% depending on how much he does. So afterwards, when he goes back to the home page,
Sorry. When he goes back to the
right?
page.
So
Yep.
wait, I think it's lagging.
Yeah, I think it's lagging. Okay, in the interest of time, maybe I can take over, right? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so once he actually activates a course, the bar will actually fill up according to how many courses he finished. So yeah, like what was shown earlier. So once he's done with it, he can mark as complete. Then on the sidebar, you can actually see the courses being completed. Yeah. So this is more or less our what we have so far. I understand that we are unable to show the machine learning model aspect of it, but I guess given enough time, we can actually develop a better prototype. Yeah, and yeah, that's actually it for Team Pooty. So thank you, you guys. We hope to be able to make it through the to the second round, to the finals actually. And yeah, that's all we have. Thank you.
Thank you.